shows is live. I don't know. Alright, I am currently eating a banana, so I might be working and not talking. But I'm going to steal the flocking avoidance from my space game that I was making before. So let's move this one up to 3, version 3. We don't need that one. So the avoidance algorithms in the space arena game. Where is that? Oh. So let's just look in here. Is stars, asteroids. This is a different one. It's not 8. I think it's in 7. Open main. Space. Arena. Space 2D. Arena 7. Space Arena. Class Space Arena 32. That's it. That's it. That's the one. Open class space underscore arena. 032? Okay, there we go. So text ID, update data particle group, ship parts, button, ship rotation, calculated minute. Do minion AI. Okay. Oh wait, where did my thing go? Oh, there it is. I was like, what's going on? Okay, so we want to take the here it is. Okay, so it's right here. Let's copy that out. So for each enemy, do we want to do this? Is this where we do this? First of all, let's comment this out. And now let's work through this here. Separation. Okay. The zombie killer whale. What's up? Have you tried Advent of Code? I've heard of that. I have not tried it. I've tried some weird stuff too. Advent of Code 2022. Holy smokes. Oh, this is the weird stuff I was talking about. I think I have tried this or something similar. About, events, shop, login, calendar, AOC, sponsors, leaderboard, stats. And there's just a countdown. What's up, sir? I'm Eric Wastel. I make Advent of Code. I hope you like it. I also make Vanilla.js, PHP Sadness, and lots of other things. You can find me on Twitter and GitHub. Cool, let's put this in temporary. Cool. I think there was something like this. I tried this last year, or whatever it was. Something like that. There was a whole thing I looked at. Yeah, it's fun. They have a new problem every day until Christmas. It starts easier and gets harder as the days go on. Cool. How you been, man? I just realized that you can take your Twitch VODs once it's done and export to YouTube. So I'm back on Twitch permanently, and I'm going to export everything over to YouTube. And that's how our workflow is going to go. So yeah. And don't ask me why I'm working on a Vampire Survivors clone, but I just thought it was cool. Couldn't believe how popular it is in just 2 months, so I was like, okay. It reminded me of some code that I did before with particles and aiming and all that fun stuff, but we're talking like 5 years ago. So I figured I'd give it a shot and see what's going on here. Okay, so perception radius, steering, total. Okay, so this right here, what we want to do, so 20, if I is not equal to k, right, d equals the distance between that block. Okay, so it calculates the distance between each of the other blocks, and if the distance is less than the perception radius, aha, then it calculates the difference between the two, divides by the square of the distance, and then adds that to the steering force, and then increases the total by 1. I like it. I like it. So let's go for Glunt. Let's use K. Let's just copy it exactly as I did it before. K is less than what? Number of enemies. Right, we want to stay away from all the other enemies. K++. Clash of Code. Yes, we got another redemption. Okay, dude. I am down to do it. Let's do a private. Let's see, where's the button? My brain is just... I can't believe how I lose it so quickly. Yes, thanks for the redemption, man. Excellent idea. Okay, a friend was talking to me over there on Steam, so I figured I... So bright. Okay, there we go. What do we got? Whoa, what in the world? Oops, sorry, I hit the thing. Ba, ba, ba. Distance. There's a clue, huh? Distance, huh? Ba, 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 ba. 167. 45. Isn't it 3, 4, 5? That's like the right triangle thing, isn't it? I don't know, bro. I don't know. Bum ba bum, bum ba da dum. Bum bum, bum 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 bum. Bum. Bum 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 bum. Bum bum. Looter shooter. You got it. Cool. Excuse me. Ba-da-da-ba-bum. All right, I don't know. But what'd you do? Ruby. Get G-sub, scan, map 2F. Puts %2F, A minus X squared plus B minus Y squared. Oh, square root, subtract, or substitute. Okay, that's what I figured, that was the decimal. Okay, cool, I kinda get that. Good show, sir. Here we got, okay. Fall challenge, a first look. Oh. Someone else? That's cool. How did I know? I knew you'd want to. Right on, bro. Let's do another one. Get my brain going. Okay. Test. Oh, I see. Wait, maybe not. Ba, 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 ba. Zippity zappity. Well, let's see. Okay. Oh, I think I got it. Yep, I got it. Okay. Don't tell me. Because I got it. It's going to take a while to get it, though. Okay, so word, bro. Word. Okay, so how do you do this? Isn't it, aha. See? Okay. It's not going to take long, I don't think. I don't even remember how to do a loop in Python for I in range. Okay. There we go. Alright, I got it. Okay. I remember. Of course I remember what you're talking about. Of course I remember. Okay. Word sub I. What we want to do is take the ordinate of that, I think. Actually, let's just, I don't even know if that's right, so print that. Show me what that is. Actually, just get that out of there for now. Okay, so those are the, okay, and then we just want to add plus A, boop, and then we want to go CHR. Uh-oh, does it? Wait a minute. Oh, really? Oh, so it's per letter. Oh, so it's per letter. So then let's just take this from here. So instead of print, b plus equals. Did that do it? Woohoo! Did I get all of them? Woohoo! Wait, test 5. Oh, because... Wait a minute. Wait a minute. How goes the surviving? Good. I got a little distracted here with the CodinGame, but we're definitely doing it. I'm going to work on separation algorithm here. I'm just sorting this out. How are you, Sinocron? What's up, Sinocron, man? Welcome to the stream, to the chat, to the stuff. Okay. So what are those? 124. And what is it supposed to be? It's supposed to be a B. And then the other one is 123, isn't it? And that's supposed to be an A? Anybody wants to join? There's actually, shoot, can I copy this like that? You can still join the clash. There's still 8 minutes, 15 seconds of clashy goodness. So why don't we go 123, huh? What's the ASCII of... Actually, doesn't it show it in here? BLR. If L is that one. Alright, let me just get the ASCII. I think I have the ASCII code stuff somewhere. Somewhere in the back of my mind. Okay, so ALR3, 120, whatever. Okay. So they're way up here, 123 and 124. So if I subtract, if they're greater than 122, I'm working on my shitty game. Cool. It's great to have a shitty game, isn't it? And then you have a shitty demo, and then a shitty community. No. J-Blow is raiding with a party of 229. What? Oh my gosh. Are you serious? I don't think that many people have even... I don't think that many people have even considered me before at one time. Hey guys, whoa, look at all those people. Alright, let me show you what I'm working on. Let's take out the separation stuff. I don't think that's broken. I'm just gonna work on the separation because I was doing this thing here. Welcome guys. We're listening to music from Game Chops. Uh-oh. Okay. So they're the enemies and they move into like a little clump, so I gotta separate them out. And it's, see... And the background is spaceship parts and background stars and stuff. Let's restart it again here. Gotta keep them separated. Yeah, the separation. Gotta give them separation anxiety, really, is what I need to do. But anyway, yeah, so that's my next thing. And I've already done separation. I've got it commented out. I need to go through it and make sure it'll work with... Because I did it on my other Space Arena game. And actually, let me show you guys, since there's a bunch of you here. I can show you my Space Arena game, because I was working on that. Consider yourself considered. What were you guys doing? What was the stream that you came from? What? Shoot. Corey Martin, Tway, RB Killa, Rafael Luba, Farzer, Kristasich, Corpus C. Wow, thanks guys. Jay Blow. Yeah, what was Jay Blow doing? Where? Let's see. Where's my little chat here? Jonathan Blow's stream. Cool. I am not familiar with that streamer, and I've been looking for somebody to watch. Okay, let's show the trader here. Where, or the arena? Where's it at? Where's it at? We want to show number 7. Number 7. He was working on the compiler for his programming language. Whoa, that's awesome. Really? That's cool. So I have this little arena game, and I just kind of threw it together. I've got the streams up on YouTube. It took me like 6 days to get to this point. There's a little mini map down here, shows where everything's at. And then they go pew, 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 pew. I was just there for the laundry folding. JAI programming language. That sounds cool. He was doing this on stream? That's cool. Or I guess pre-factoring, getting things working. So where's... Let me see, where's his name here? J Blow. J_Blow. Let's see, what do I click? Here? Go, not there. We gotta go here. We gotta go there. Let's mute it in case we get something. J_Blow, like that. Cool. Is that the one? We're following. Oh, he did a 3-hour stream. Okay, cool. Very cool. I'll have to check that out. Look at this. About. I need to do some of these crank sessions. I will leave the mic on, occasionally explain what I'm doing, but if that takes too much energy, I will stop and focus on the programming. That's awesome. I will start a timer for 3 hours. We work on the most focused. Oh, wow. Dude is a focused programmer. Let's see. Do I have that other? Yeah, this is the other thing that I added into it, which is the prime number texture. And it takes the mini-map, blows it up into the center of the screen, and then it uses this prime number texture thing. I just threw it in as kind of a little thing you can play around with. So it's kind of cool. You can zoom in and out. And it's really, these are all just prime numbers, and they're coded based on, you know, the numbers and stuff. All sessions are crank sessions when you are J-Blow. That looks sick. Well, thank you. Also the author of the not yet publicly released programming language JAI. Yeah, that's cool. That's crazy. Sounds cool. Shoot, did I use my... Yeah, I probably won't get this, but I kind of knew where I was headed. Or wait, I got a minute and a half. Hold on. I got a minute and a half. So print board. So what we want to do, actually, C equals this. If C is greater than 122, then you go B plus equals. See if I can get this. Hold up. We have to put CHR. I gotta remember all this. Otherwise, it's just this. Plus equals C. Oh wait, this is just this. What am I doing? Oh shoot. Okay, that's fine. Whatever. Didn't get it, but I just got distracted by the raid. Not a problem, guys. Hey, Lake Music from Diamond Pearl. Lake Music from Diamond Pearl. This is a video game study lounge from Game Chops on YouTube. They take retro video games and they remix the music, and it's really cool. Let's see. Let's go back into here now. So what's everybody up to? What's happening? I am totally snowed in. I've got ice coating my windows. I haven't left the house for 24 hours, and I probably won't leave for another 12 plus. And I decided to start this Vampire Survivors when my friend on Steam was playing it. And shoot, I just figured why not. So we want to cycle through all the enemies, and then if I think that's where we're at. If I is not equal to K. Excuse me. So then we get the distance. It looks like D equals GL. But I use C++ and OpenGL to make mostly art, and I'm working on making video games. Trying to get that going. I'm going back to work here soon because I'm running out of money. It got crazy cold and snowy here as a couple of hours ago. Oh, it's been crazy here for 24 hours. You unemployed too? Azrael the Wanderer? Yes, I am. Ever since July 1st. I was let go from my job. I was fired. It's a whole issue. Basically, I just talked about stuff that I wasn't supposed to talk about. And, hey, thanks for the follows, guys. Shoot, I see a bunch of new people following. Thank you very much. Really appreciate that. Let's see, distance. I'm going to be streaming a lot more on Twitch because you can export your VODs directly over to YouTube, which I like because YouTube will store the VODs indefinitely, so that's cool. So let's take the distance here. I just got my firing notice today, stirred the pot too much. They expect me to deliver cross-platform clients and the back end. Interesting. I was just working in IT at a local casino. And I'm 50 years old, and I was the third, I don't know, I was almost the youngest person on the crew, and then this young guy started as a director. And we hit it off really good, so I thought. And then next thing you know, he's like, you're fired. But it's all good. I mean, I've never met somebody so quick to fire me, but whatever. His loss. Light my acid. Yeah. It's all good. I own my house, so I really don't have to pay for much. Okay, so what we want is the distance. I even forget what I'm doing here. The distance between D&D underscore block BI plus I. Because this is the one this is the one we're working on, right? Dot D&D underscore position and D&D underscore block. So BI, I forget, gosh. Oh, number of asterisks, so that's the beginning index, right? So I just want to go BI plus K. And that'll give me the distance between those two. And then if D is less than the perception radius, which I set up above there, Okay, to be that. Then what we do is we get, oof. Yeah, but still, what a shitty way to treat people. Was it a software dev related up? No, it was just an IT job. Actually, it was a really easy IT job. Like seriously, easy. Ever since the pandemic hit over there, they shut everything down. They optimized everything. Our department, it used to be working on the casino machines and all the IT computers over there, and so it was kind of a complicated job. But then they split it up into just casino machines for some people and then computers for other people, which I actually stayed on the casino machine side, and they promoted me to a supervisor, and then I stepped down from that. And then I moved over to IT. And then during the pandemic, nobody was working there pretty much. And the hardest thing about our job was like this hotel rooms, and they had like these on-command boxes that were just right behind these mounted TVs and stuff. But they got rid of those during the pandemic lockdown, and I was like, what? And then the job just got really easy. And so there's the difference, and you want to take the difference. But then we have all these POSs for the food and beverage, and I started to get really good at, paying attention to that stuff and getting, the log files from the servers and using PowerShell and stuff. And, just little details and things that most people wouldn't care to bother with, but I noticed that all the service calls related around the log files, and so I started to get used to reading those. Okay, if total is greater than 0, we're almost there, and then we get to see these guys steer around each other. That'd be crazy. If it works, I wonder what it'll look like. Sucks for them. Yeah, because the other guys are not very techy. One guy doesn't even want to work in the tech department because his wife is managing the casino machines, so they can't have him work under her. So they put him in the IT department. He's like, yeah, he's actually really smart and he's really good, but he doesn't want to be there. But he's a great guy too. So then the other guy's just really good at purchasing and managing our purchasing software. But he's not very good at IT except for running cables and stuff, so. Okay, steering divided by total, set magnitude to max speed. Okay, so actually what is the max speed? Give each enemy a separate velocity. Oh yeah, right here. Hold on. So it's basically 500 divided by 150,000. Hold up. 0.003. Let's just go with that. Close enough. 0.00. What did I say? 003? Okay, just double checking. Let's add another 3. Why not? Okay, so steering minus equals this minion velocity. Okay, so steering minus equals this minion velocity is going to be... Wait, why do I do that? Oh, I completely take out the... Huh, interesting. So... Wait, which one are we working on? Right, sorry. Wait, did I put the velocity there? Where does the velocity get added? It's right here. I don't actually have a velocity set for these guys. Oh wait, yeah, they're all right here. Enemy, oh that's a new thing, I forgot I put that in. So that's gonna be enemies sub I dot computer. There's no intelligence to help my brain. Evel with a capital V. Evel. Okay, so we'll subtract that. I hope this works. This will be crazy. Set speed to max limit. So then steering equals normalized steering. So we just subtract that out. And then what are we doing here? Max speed again. We're not adding to acceleration until we have more than one steering force to add up, so just directly add to minion velocity. Okay. We'll see if this works. I'm kind of skeptical at the moment. Excuse me. So, excuse me. So when does this enemy's E velocity get used? I forget. It's not used up here. Or didn't I? Oh yeah, I put it right here, right there. So that's, oh yeah, enemies will shoot the player. Okay. Oh, so it affects that velocity. But wait a minute, that's not a directional steering. Uh-oh. Oh, I see, because when I get the... Okay, hold on. So when I actually do this, I just get the difference between their positions and I multiply as constant. I don't actually have a steering, but what I can do is D&D position minus equals, hold on, normalize 10. What do we want to do? Because we want them to steer away. So actually, once we go through this, enemies will also move towards player with maximum speed. So that will tick them in the direction. And then the separation, if there is any separation, total greater than 0, let's go, because this should be steering, is a vector 2. Difference equals that difference. Steering plus equals difference. So it is a vector 2. Steering divided by total steering equals normal steering. Steering minus the velocity. We don't want to subtract the velocity here. And we only want to normalize it once. I don't think that's going to work, so let's just comment out. Let's just leave it like this. So it's a vector 2. And then let's come up here to this. So instead of this, we'll just apply the steering velocity directly. Okay, that should, if there's, okay. Alright, we'll see what that does. Is your game loop desynced from the render loop? No. I don't think so. It's all one thread. I'm not really into threading yet. It's an init data function. Yeah, where is it? So this is the render loop right here. This is it. And we're calling this function right here update data. Oh wait, no, sorry. Not that one. I'm working on the one and we're remove. Let's go back to the one I was working on. My bad. Clone, the VS clone. But it looks similar though. So here's the render loop. Right here. So I draw the background stars, I draw the asteroids, and this is where the guys are drawn right here. It's the same init data function, but it's an update data parameter, because the init data function uses a parameter of 1 for initializing the data, and 2, I know it's kind of clunky, but okay, let's see how it works. If it works. Uh-oh, there's errors. No. Okay. GLM distance, no matching overloaded function found. Oh. I forgot. Computer. Let me do that. Okay, position. Is that the only error? That might be the only error. Oops. Okay. Failed. Where's the first error? Oh, right here. Whoa, what? The heck? Oh, this is the overloaded operator thing. What did I try to do? Oh, that doesn't work? It's right here? What? We're just subtracting vectors. Son of a bean dip. This game has a lot of Dungeons and Dragons. Yeah, the graphics for it are right here. So a lot of it's from a Dungeons and Dragons game, and I took out some of the graphics. And then these are little guys from somebody else's. This is a combination of a bunch of sprites, and I took what I wanted and put them all into this one image here, so I could just use these guys. Here's where they're from. This one. It's got like 6,000 images and stuff. I found it on the opengameart.org. And for right now, I'm not using most of them. I'm just going to use the stuff up here, so I kind of took out what I wanted to use. So why is this a difficulty right here, computer? Why are you having trouble? If D is less than... Oh, because those aren't vector 2s. Alright. So I guess I want to make them vector 2s. This is going to be a little messy. Actually, can I just... No, I don't think I can do that. .x, comma. I'll make it easier to read though. Hold on. So there's that vector 2, and that's horrible to read, so let's make it a little better. There. Okay, and then this one. I know this is really bad, but I could do it a better way. But for now, I just want to get it to work. And see the little guys just avoid each other and stuff and stuffs. Okay. Okay, subtract vector 2. Vector 2. Okay, does that fix things, computer? Is that better? Can we run? No, still errors. Did I do that right? Vector 2 minus vector 2. Alright, but where's the error? Oh, it won't show me the first. Where's the first error? Right here? No. 170, 20. Whoops. No, it's not in there. What? I am not sure what's causing that, but it's the vector 2 thing. I know it's right there. Hold on. I know it's right here. Vector 2 minus vector 2. Computer. Shoot. Let's make sure. Hold on. Let's see if it's that or if it's this. I know there's probably better debugging methods. So it's still something. So let's see if it's this now. I'm so clumsy with this here. No, it's something else. Oh, is it this up here? Computer, what? Alright, so what? It's a vector 3, okay. Tempted to convert those right now to a vector 2 because they're giving me so much trouble right now. I don't like that. Oh, this, okay, wait, right here, position minus. That was working. So that's not a problem there. It's this here, but that's... Well, let's see if that's it. Still. Did I switch this up? Am I even working on the right? Asteroids 3, right? Oh, now it's right here, okay. Let's comment that out too, and just to see. Oh, it's something else. Man, these vectors. So what all did I add in here? I started with separation, perception radius, steering equals that. There, and then I got into here. Oh, and then this stuff down here. Position plus equals steering. Oh, I bet you it's this right here. Okay. Alrighty, Roo. Actually, I don't know, but I have a good feeling that that's it. Computer, are you going to take away the squigglies there? So D&D block, D&D position. Plus GLM, vector 2, steering dot X, comma, steering dot Y. No, it's not. Ba, 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 ba. Did I mess it up down here? What happened? D&D position. K is less than num enemies. If I is not equal to K, D equals that. D is less than perception radius. Save it. Yeah, it's the vectors here. Is it this one? Let's reload reload this real quick. Sometimes when I have so many issues with not compiling, restart, and it resets all the squigglies. Okay, so it's not showing squigglies, but I'm sure there's errors, but what, alright. Yeah. Cannot convert from U to T. It's a vector, addition or whatever. Space arena. 401, 43. Right here, position plus equals. Oh, duh, I did that wrong. Position is a vector 3. Alright, and then just, I don't care about the Z. Was that the thing that all along? Son of a... Oh, there we go. Alright. Oh, easy, easy, easy. Oh, actually that does look a little better because you can see all the enemies. They're separating from each other. Now it's like this big ol' Okay, so let's separate them a little bit more. Does that perception radius, can I improve that? So let's go. That's kind of cool. Let's just improve their perception radius and let's take off right away. No, don't chase me. See how they're a little squiggly too? They wobble or whatever? It's because they all have like a slightly different velocity. Hey guys, I'm popular. Look at that. Okay, so that's cool. So now here's what we want to do. We're going to really mess stuff up, so let's go to the next level here. Computer, why do I do that? I've had too much caffeine. I think I'm just messing with the mouse too much. Okay, we don't need this anymore. This one. Whoa. Okay, so what we want to do is... That's separation. So this is the update, yeah. Separation. So one of the things I want to do eventually is shoot out weapons to eliminate the enemies. But first, let's just say if they come within a certain radius of the player, okay, then they'll just disappear and respawn. So the player is 0.08. Okay. Yeah, see, I don't even use that Z. I should just take that out. But it's all good for now. For now. Okay, so 0.08. So that gets multiplied by 0.5 on either side. So it's 0.04 on either side is the radius. So half of that. So let's just go, okay, so update as the player moves, separation, let's do the separation, let that go through. And then let's go like this. All we want to do is compare, we're still inside the loop, right, for all. Let's see, this loop is what I want to watch, okay. So right here, then check if within, we'll just say death range. Okay, 0.08 is the size of the player, so 4 radius. So how do we check that? And then what do we do? And then if it is, reset enemy to a random position. Or just reset enemy, because we have the enemy initialization. Okay, cool. So check if within death range, if D&D block EI plus I dot, or wait a minute. Oh, right, that's right. Okay, sorry. So this is after the separation has occurred, and that's fine. Dot D&D position, thank you. And since we're at 0, 0, I like that the player's at the center of the... Oh, zombie killer whale. We have a redemption, folks. Anybody play CodinGame? If you do, you may join in. Let's see here. Bum, 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 bum. Learn a new language, sharpen your skills, warm up for the day. That's what I kind of use CodinGame for. Clash of Code specifically. Click the link anytime after the clash starts or anytime after now, and you can join in with us. It takes a little bit of getting used to. There's an in-browser compiler. This is reverse mode, which is my favorite. I give you the input and give you the answer to several tests, and you have to figure out what in the world they're doing. I would, but would not have a clue. I just like watching people code. Too cool. Cool, Miss... how do you say it, damn whitey? 5, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. That one's 5, and then it's 250, 225. Oh, okay, I got it. Let's see if we can do this here. So what are they giving you? One, two, three, four, 5. Okay, so what we want to do is so after that's over, oops. Whale got it. Good show, sir. Isn't it 2, I think? Whoops. Uh-oh. Whoops, wait a minute. Get it, bro? I got it, dude. Python 3, let's see what he did. See what I did. Look what he did. Oh, simplistic in its design. Simplistic. R plus equals V. R squared, really? That's all it is? I thought it was the average times the number. Oh, that is the total. Okay. And then square that. Okay. We can do another one. Feel free to join, try it out, whatever you like to do. No pressure whatsoever. Over the last couple of years, I've learned working at work. I learned JavaScript and Python using CodinGame. Like, I had no idea what Python was until I started trying it out. Oh my gosh, look at that one. Sorry, I'm just scarfing on the rest of this banana. That one's kind of hurting my brain. And we're almost done with this. I want to see if this works. Hold on. Enemies. Spawn enemies. Okay, so here. So everything except for DI++. Outer Wilds, Helynt, Helynt. That music sounds pretty cool, dude. Okay, we're going to change this to BI plus I. So that's going to be the position. I just don't want there to be any issues with variable names there. Size. Bum 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 bum. Okay, so size, rotation, type. Okay, great. And then we don't need to do that because we're not gonna. And then we'll reset the velocity. Do we have to do anything else? Did I switch to 4 over in here? I did. Okay, let's see if that does something. Yep, it does. Now it looks like he's eating them. I am hungry. Woohoo! That's cool. Okay. Wait, W and S. I need to keep my here, let's go to the Oh, I see. Dudes, this is so cool. So, okay. So what I could do is have little sections of guys off to the side. Like as the player moves around, that's an interesting guy. Excuse me, as the player moves around, there could be like a bunch of guys over here that's off screen. And when he comes within a certain range, they will start to follow him and stuff. Whoa! Don't look at it too long, your eyes will go crazy. Okay, I think I'm going to end the stream there. Sorry, Whale. Let's see. I'm pretty sure that Nook... Actually, I don't know who's on. Let's see who's on. See who I can raid. If there's somebody. Any requests for a raid? Of course, I don't know who's on. Oh, there we go. Lets me choose right there. Well, we're going to raid Salford Sal. Let's see how that goes. Well, thanks everybody for tuning in. Thanks for following the raid.
what role playing. We'll be playing games in chat.
Okay, here we go. Let's see how
Various
this works.
streamers doing like interacting with each other, and I've